No, it's not. It's not.
But my day in the collab is Thursday.
Yeah, Yeah, okay.
It's Thursday and we just want to collab. I'm sorry, I'm loud. Okay, so I can't do a prank call. So instead of a prank call, I'm going to be singing a bunch of random songs that I know from like 2010. Okay, let's go! Gage, you gotta stop it now. Gage. Be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and clean. Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see?
I see my name in shining light.
Oh.
There's a difference every night. Oh, I swear the one we could compare if I'm a billionaire. Oh, if I'm a billionaire. You're wishing me well. Don't ask me on every time. I look to you as a friend, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your step was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, high night wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and it's crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And it's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Got to the beach, let's feed away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, click, found a boat life. That means it's hard to come by. Child out, let's get it on. Out, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'm gonna blow my money and then I'm on the floor. I get your last chance if you want more. Then here I am.